top 9 reasons to do an SIP. Disciplined approach to investment. Investing on a preset date every month makes you set aside fixed sum of money to invest, and your small investments create big kitty over time. No need to time the market. Investing through an SIP helps avoid timing the market. Rather, an SIP takes benefit from volatility in the market. Rupee cost averaging. You get more units when the markets go down, and less when it goes up. This you average out the cost of buying mutual funds units. Power of compounding. The longer you stay invested, more is the benefit of compounding. It is like earning interest on interest. Affordability, lighter on the wallet. An SIP offers convenience, since you invest a small amount periodically, without affecting your household budget. Long-term wealth building. Investment of rupees 10,000 per month for 20 years at 15% CAGR per annum will give you rupees 1.32 crores. Investment convenience. Select an investment frequency, amount, term based on convenience and need. It is most flexible investment tool. You can redeem your value anytime. Except ELSS scheme. Achieve financial needs. An SIP is a smart tool that helps break your big goals into small amount. Just ascertain the investment amount, and start investing regularly through an SIP to achieve your dreams. Tax savings under Section 80C with ELSS. Investment in ELSS with SIP can help you save tax under Section 80C.